Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah wa kafa. Wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa amma ba'd. Qala Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala fil kalamil majid wal furqanil hamid. Ba'da a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kulu washrabu wa la tusrifu innahu la yuhibbul musrifin. في مقام آخر قال الله تبارك وتعالى إن المبذرين كانوا إخوان الشياطين. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم من صامت النجاة صدق الله مولانا العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الكريم ونحن على ذلك من الشاهدين والشاكرين والحمد لله رب العالمين. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم وصل عليه. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. ربي زدني علما. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. My most honorable brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, we are talking about today a very, very important topic, a common social disease. It's a physical disease as well as this is a spiritual disease also, a social one. That we're talking about being spendthrift, wasteful of the money, time, energy, everything. Israf, fazul kharchi, spendthrift. Ayat Mubarakah from Surah Araf, Sifr Mafhum, Kulu washrabu, eat and drink, wala tusrifu, but don't become wasteful, don't eat too much, and don't drink too much. Don't become spendthrift in the food. Why? Innahu la yuhibbul musrifin. No doubt, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not like those people who waste. And other ayat Mubarakah, Surah Al-Asra, ayat number 27, Innal mubazzirina kanu ikhwana shayateen. No doubt, surely, the wasteful people who waste, they don't care about the waste. They are the brother of devil, brother of shaitan. Hadith Pak, man samata naja. The person who kept quiet, not talk too much, he became successful. Not to waste energy, money, risk, time. It's the hukum of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The wastefulness is a haram, is unlawful in Islam. This is because of some kind of reason, because people are arrogant, or they want to show riyā or greediness. Some are inferiority complex. They waste. There are so many kinds. The area of the life, department of the life, which I'll mention today some of them. Number one, the wastefulness in the rizq, in the eating and drinking and cooking, especially when there is a big dinner or there is a walima party. You see how people behave. They put too much in the plate, overload it. being very greedy, not caring for other person. They come to the table and they leave halfway. Rest of them, the food they throw in the garbage. In the buffet. When any restaurant they have buffet, that is the same thing we do. We fill up too much every item, then we cannot eat. You know what a restaurant in this country especially, this is law. They cannot keep the food left over in the night time for next day. No. They have to throw in the garbage. And next day, every new morning, they have to cook fresh food. So there's so many countries. In African countries, there's so many poor people. Even in this country, there are homeless people. They sleep hungry, and we don't care them. Second, about the health. We eat haram food. By too much eating, you get stomach problem. That stomach is the mother of all diseases. If you take care of that stomach moderately and only eat when you are hungry, as Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, when you start eating, leave few morsels, stop eating when you are still little hungry. This is a very good advice for the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Stop eating when you are still little hungry. Your stomach will be always in beautiful shape and you will not invite any disease. Because stomach is the mother of all diseases. Number 3, the wastefulness of the waqt, time. Time ko zya. Time ko wasteful. How? By social media. How much time we spending on wasting our beautiful time on social media, on cellular telephone. And even sometime, just we go to some market, some big stores. Why are you going? Window shopping. For window shopping, even we waste a lot of time. So every minute, it will be questioned in the day of Qiyamah. How you spend your life. How you spend your youth. This time is an amana. It is a gift of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is a trust of Allah for each and every second we are accounted for. Then number 4, the wastefulness, overuse of the tongue. Prophet said, Man yazman ma baina lihiyayhi wa ma baina rijlayhi azmallahu Jannah. Who will give me guarantee what's between two jaws and what's between two legs, thighs. I give guarantee of the Jannah. How many people will be thrown in the hellfire because of overuse, misuse of the tongue? That's why Prophet said, Man samataniya, who kept quiet, he became successful. Because every word, what we utter, is being recorded. The angel is recording every word. Come on, let's go, let's sit down. Why? Gupshup. Gossiping. The gossiping is overuse, misuse of the gift of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala of our tongue. As the value of the tongue, who are deaf and dumb. Because not careful use of the tongue, we slander the people, we do backbiting. Sahaba Karam were very, very careful. Some Sahaba used to, Siddiq Akbar radiallahu anhu, used to catch his tongue and used to pull. Because of you, I commit something. Some Sahaba used to keep some pebble in the mouth so that they cannot talk, idle talk. I heard two ulama, they had overuse of the tongue is bad habit. So they decided, they were non-Arab, they said, let's talk in Arabic language. Of course, when you talk another language, if English is not your mother tongue, you should talk that language which is not your mother tongue. So then you will think before speak, that you will select the words. It will be difficult for you. So a person has such kind of habit, over talking, so he should use another language in discourse, in discussion. Then number 5, the wastefulness of our eyes, bad nazari, sinful looking. This ayat in the Quran Majid about the men and women. That ya ayyuhallazina amanu yaghuddu min absarihim. So it has been commanded, lower your gaze, don't waste your eyesight, because modesty is the ornament, modest ornament of the human being. So we have to save our eyes from bad looking. Otherwise you will stuck up in some kind of majazi ishq, the fake love, which will end up sometime in adultery, because we were not using the eyes properly. This is the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Another, there are a lot of israf and expensive we are in the water. The water is a great bounty of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As those people where they have to go in the mountain area, they have to climb the mountain half mile to bring the water. We should be very careful. We should not, Sahaba Karam, when they used to make wudu, Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to advise them, don't waste water while making wudu. But when their water is free, the mosque we go, masjid we go, water is free, we waste. So that's najaz, unlawful, and that is sin also. And nowadays, even in this country, we have to pay the bill also. More we waste water, we get more bill, and money are going in the water. So we should be very careful not to waste the water. What about dress? In this area, women are special. One dress they buy, maybe $500, $1,000, then they don't wear next time. That's it. For one time. How come? How come? And they have 30, 40 suits hanging in the closet. And say they're asking more. If husband say, okay, you already got it, then they will comment, I got nothing. La shukri. Ungratefulness. The Prophet said, in the night of Miraj, he saw the woman more as compared to the men in the hellfire. Prophet asked Jibreel alayhi salatu wasalam, how come? He said, Ya Rasulullah, because of the ungratefulness of the husband. Hamad ki na shukri ki wajah se. And they say, oh, since I came to this house, I got nothing. And she has 40 suits in the boxer and hanging in the closet. And that's a strange thing. Only wear one time. The Sahaba used to wear, Rasul Akram Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to wear the suit, and if it is torn up, he used to patch it. Umar Farooq Radiallahu Ta'ala Anhu, he had 12 patches on his dress. Where we stand? Subhanallah. And what we do? We buy the stuff brand name. We pay money for the tag. Same material. We want to go to big store. Oh, where you got it? Hey, I got from the Gap. I got from the Macy's. Even you can get the same thing in Walmart, some other store very cheap. But then they say it is Gap, Ralph, Tommy. We pay money for just for showpiece for the brand name. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable. So, once I myself went to Pakistan, and my one relative asked me, buy a big shirt from there. Okay, I took buy some shirt from America. He was very happy to see I brought shirt from America. Not brand name, mulk name, country name. But after 1 week, 2 weeks, I got a telephone call. He said, brother, that shirt is from Bangladesh. Well, I told him, you told me from America, I brought from America. So that's what it is. We waste money after name. How much we waste food when we do marriage ceremony? But restaurant? We can do nikah in a masjid. Even some masajid have the arrangement of the nikah. And there's a barakah in the nikah in the masjid. But no, we want to go to the big restaurant where they pay for few hours, they pay $1,000. At the same place, they're dancing, first night dancing going on. What barakah is there? But only for showpiece. So masjid may be free. When you give some donation to the masjid, there will be barakah also. In the same way, buy the house, husband and wife, one child, 2-3 bedroom, but they want big bungalows. So people say, mashallah, they got very, very big house. A new year coming. The people looking for brand new models. Cars are already working. Go to car. No. Some people, every second year, new model. La ilaha illallah. That's unbelievable. This whole wasteful, all these people, but these kind of habits, they are, according to Quran, Quran is a haqq and such. They are the brother and sister of shaitan. And Allah does not like those people. Look, to whom Allah does not like, how they can enjoy the rahmat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They cannot. We should become beloved of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Life is very short. Now, the enough that I give you, let's tell you what the reason. Why people waste? So one is for riyah, for showpiece. People say, hey, very big house he has. Very beautiful dress. This is one reason. And some arrogant people, because they are arrogance. Being arrogant giver is very bad disease. The person with arrogance cannot smell the fragrance of the paradise until he is taken to the Jahannam far away to burn the giver. So people do sometimes infrared complex to fill up the infrared complex. They are poor, but they want to show themselves we are rich. That's why they waste money. That's the problem. And second reason, because lack of knowledge of the deen. We don't read the life story of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. We don't read the story, Sahaba life. If we read Sahaba life, Awliya Karam life, Ulama Haq life, and Hazur Akhtar Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam life, then we will follow their simplicity of the life. We follow their simple life. In every walk of life, we should be simple, like Sahaba Karam, like Anbiya alayhi salatu wasalam. And third reason, the parents don't give training to the children. The children wasting money. Every year, new model of the cellular telephone they have to buy. When mommy buying new, the children will buy also. It's a lack of training, especially Islamic training of the parents. And some people become wasteful, extravagant, fuzul kharch, israf, because the bad friend. They have bad company. The friends are rich and you are poor. The friends are changing telephone and you also want to change new telephone. So man is known by the company he keeps. So therefore, that person had to follow his friend. And another reason, we have no fikr of the akhirat. We came here to go. We are here to prepare for the life hereafter, to earn Jannah by following the Rasul Akram Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in every walk of life. As some people have the friendship with the rich people, and they are poor. Now they have to be up to date to them. That's the problem. Therefore, I advise, this few advice, we should be friend with the poor people. We should be friend with the poor people and people are lower in status than us. Then we have chance of doing shukr to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Otherwise, we will be always ungrateful. That's punishable thing. Let's do tawbah. Tawbah to Rasul. Ya Allah, what happened. Please forgive us. We did not make the best use of your ni'mah, of your bounties. Please, Allah, forgive us. And we promise from today, we will not be wasteful. We will not waste food in the kitchen. We will not waste food in the marriage ceremonies and that's here and there. And let's finish the friendship of the shaitan. We should read the biography, the Swani Hayat of Surah Akram Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. We should have talim at home. Sahaba life. Umar bin Abdul Aziz, Rahmatullah Alayh, before he became Khalifa, he used to wear 1,000 dinar dress. Can you believe it? But after becoming Khalifa, Subhanallah, he no more. He wears a simple dress and used to wash his own hand. Even his wife, Fatima, whose father was king, her brother was king, grandfather was a king. She got so much jewelry, jewel, diamond. But when she got married, Umar bin Abdul Aziz, Rahmatullah, she told her, this is the mall, west of the Baitul Mal, the government treasury. Please, if you want to live with me, hand over. She obeyed her husband. she gave all jewelry, diamond, everything back in the treasury of the country. Subhanallah, simple life. And Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu has patches, 12 patches. One time somebody counted 12 patches. Some of them were of the leather patches of the dress. And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to put patches on his own clothes himself. Subhanallah. So let's think over it. Where we stand, let's do tawbah. Please do tawbah if we had such kind of bad habit, as we did some wastage of the time, energy, and food and water. Please do tawbah with me. Inshallah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we do sincere tawbah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will forgive us. And even about our sincerity, He will change all those bad habits into the good deeds, inshallah. All bad deeds, guna, sin, into good deeds. That our wastefulness will change into sakhawat and generosity. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala do tawbah with me. Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli zambin wa atubu ilayh. Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli zambin wa atubu ilayh. Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli zambin wa atubu ilayh. We should have firm yaqeen. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has forgiven us our past, but wastefulness we did, israf we did. Inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us His own friend, inshallah. Now let's make dua, please. Please, first I make dua, please, about the corona. Any kind of sickness, if we have, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will, inshallah, give shafa. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal barase wal jununi wal juzami wa min sayyi'il asqam. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal barase wal jununi wal juzami wa min sayyi'il asqam. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal barase wal jununi wal juzami wa min sayyi'il asqam. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallam. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana fil akhirati hasana wa qina adhaban nar. Rabbana hab lana min azwajina wa dhurriyyatina qurrata a'yun waj'alna lil muttaqina imama. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Amin, amin. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.